Hey guys, welcome back to Transmath 2 Virtual. Today we are on Unit 2, Lesson 5, and we're going to be talking about how we make sense of fractions with large numerators and denominators. So far, all the fractions have been easy to show on the number line. Fractions like 7/8 and 6/5 are easy to locate on the number line. What about other fractions? Remember, there's an infinite number of fractions between any two consecutive whole numbers on the number line. Think about this. Think about how we would locate a proper fraction like 1 out of 100 with methods we have been using. We would have to divide the number line between 0 and 1 into 100 fair share parts. This would be a mess. We would have the same problem with an improper fraction like 98 out of 99. Now let's think about how we would locate an improper fraction like 47 out of 2 on the number line. This fraction is the same as multiplying the unit fraction half 47 times. This would be 47 fair shared parts shown on a number line. Instead of finding exact locations, we'll sort the fractions into three categories: proper fractions between 0 and half, proper fractions between half and 1, and improper fractions that are greater or equal than 1. Let's sort the fractions 1 out of 100, 98 out of 99, and 47 over 2 into three categories. We'll start with 1 out of 100. The numerator 1 is much less than the denominator 100. This means the fraction is closer to 0. Now let's look at 98 out of 99. The numerator is less than the denominator, but the numbers are very close. So the fraction is a proper fraction between half and 1. Finally, let's consider the fraction 47 out of 2. The numerator is much greater than the denominator, 2. So this fraction is an improper fraction. Let's look at another example of sorting fractions. First, we'll identify all of the proper fractions. The proper fractions are 1 out of 25, 19 out of 22, 2 over 80, and 24 out of 25. Now let's identify which fractions are less than half. The fractions with numerators much smaller than the denominators are 1 out of 25 and 2 out of 80, so they go into the first box. The proper fractions 19 out of 22 and 24 out of 25 have numerators that are close to the denominator, so these fractions go into the middle box. Notice that they are proper fractions that were left after filling in the category of proper fractions. Finally, the fractions that remain are 9 out of 2, 3 out of 3, and 42 over 4. Must be improper fractions. That's it for Lesson 5, guys. Make sure you log on to Schoology to view your homework assignment.